KBGA Missoula, this is Missing 中国. Today is August 1st, 2022, and our language theme is the 15th element in the chemical periodical table, which is phosphorus, and in Chinese, 磷. Therefore, I use 磷as the woods and forest as the theme. So, any movies that can be related to that?
Well, of course, many horror movies, and the most famous probably is Friday the 13th. The forest is a great place to set a horror story because the forest traditionally, throughout the history of humanity, has represented the mysterious or the unknown. And so you can write many monsters into the forest. And that's why we have classic fairy tales, right? The Little Red Riding Hood is all about staying on the path in the forest. Don't stray from the path. And some people would argue that Friday the 13th is the same, right? They say, oh, the children who misbehave, who stray from the path are the ones who get killed. But actually, that's a misnomer. If you watch Friday the 13th, parts 1 and 2, it doesn't matter if you smoke weed or drink or have premarital sex. The final girl in Friday the 13th has 2 boyfriends. She plays strip Monopoly, she smokes marijuana, and she drinks. And she still survives and kills the killer. Spoiler alert for anybody who hasn't seen it. But so the notion, that's just a something I would like to dispel. People say, oh, the slasher movies were all about Puritanism, but actually the first ones were not. That is something that some idiotic college professors came up with. And eventually, the filmmakers started echoing what the college professors said versus what was actually in those first slashers.
Okay, let's go back to the forest. So, forest is not only a place to hide, and sometimes I remember some movies, like forest itself becomes the villain.
That's true.
Right? So I don't remember what movie though.
Well, I don't know about movies, but cosmic horror, which is what the great H.P. Lovecraft is known for. The original, the stuff that inspired H.P. Lovecraft very often was that kind of literature where people are out in nature and nature itself is the monster. Again, it's because of the unknown.
Mm-hmm.
So the only thing that causes fear in reality is the unknown.
That's right. All right. Thank you for the movie introduction. And enjoy the songs, everybody.